everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have a great card for you using the Latte Love Suite from the online exclusives. Now, Stampin' Up! Has several different product releases throughout the year. We have our annual catalog coming up in beginning of May, and then in July, we'll have some more online exclusives. And then in September, every other month, we have something coming. So September will be our fall or holiday catalog. But in last month, we had a release of a whole slew of online exclusive products, and the Latte Love Suite was in there. So it comes, the suite has the stamp set, the dies, it has some embellishments, ribbon, and designer paper. Now, these will only be online, so you won't see them in the catalog, which is why I want to kind of bring your attention to this. Anything that we get with copy, I am right there. I buy everything, and this is just such a great suite, and it's fun colors too. So let me get started and show you what we're going to do. One of the papers in the suite is this fun plaid, and it's nice pastels, and it has the lemon lolly. It has Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Lost Lagoon, and then we've got this lighter, and I want to say that's Petal Pink, not positive. I haven't used Petal Pink with this, but I do love the Lemon Lolly and the Calypso Coral. So I'm doing a Lemon Lolly card base, and then I have another sheet right on top. This is 3 3/4 by 5. And I've used the Time Worn Type embossing folder. Can you see that? I just wanted to add some subtle texture. Now this Time Worn Type embossing folder will be retiring at the end of next month. So if you don't have it, this is a good time to get it, because once it's sold out, it is gone. I have a piece of Calypso Coral. We're gonna just adhere this down. I will put all the measurements on my blog, so you can make this card again if you want. Okay, is that straight? I feel like that's not quite straight. There we go. That looks better. And then this is really easy. Got some pieces just to make some fun color. We're going to add this right up the middle of our card, trying to get it even. Eyeballing that. Okay. Now one sheet of the designer paper. Let me pull this designer paper in. This is all I have left right now. We have a couple sheets that have, because we have 2 of each pattern, have all these great coffee cups. And then we have a couple sheets that have these smaller, like top view coffee cups. And then it shows all the fun little, cappuccino designs there. I've used this a lot, so I don't have much left of that. We have the plaid that we used today. I've used a lot of that. It has coffee beans on the back. This one has little mini coffee cups. We have this fun Lost Lagoon stripe. Then on the back is a splash pattern, because I'll walk through the house and I'll see a coffee splash on the floor from me or my husband, one of us. Then we have this fun kind of swirl pattern. On the back we have some of the hearts with a subtle swirl in the background. There's our plaid. We have this Calypso Coral coffee bean pattern on one side, then we have a brown splash on the other, right there. Is that it? That may be all there is. There might be one other. I don't know. I've used a lot of this paper. I've ordered several packs. Okay, so I've already die cut. I'm going to use this one. I did a couple of the coral. I'm going to use this one, and then one of the lemon lolly cups, and then it also has Lost Lagoon cups. So you use whatever you want to do, whatever colors you like. And I'm going to just stick this one maybe up here, and then I'm going to adhere this one down. Maybe I'm going to overlap a little bit, kind of going the other way. And then I have a little banner I've cut out using the, it's coming to me, Stylish Shapes dies, which are being continued over. They may be in online exclusives, but, or they may be in the catalog. I can't remember. Okay, I'm going to use this little stamp that says, "This one's on me," and we're going to stamp this over a little bit to the right. This would be a great card to put a little coffee shop gift card in, a little Starbucks card, or we have Starbucks and Shadrack's. So, you know, whatever local coffee shop you have. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of scrap gold foil, and I'm using StazOn. I don't usually use StazOn with photopolymer stamps because it's just real sticky. It doesn't work well. But if you do it quickly, I like to use StazOn if I'm stamping on foil because the ink doesn't soak in. And this is a permanent ink, like a magic marker. And if you do it quickly while the ink has not had a chance to dry at all, it stamps very well on there. So there's a little spoon die right here that we cut that out with. Here's the die that cuts out the cups. And you can see there's a ton of dies in this set. They cut out the big cup. They cut out a coffee pot. We have a French press, cups, circles for all the little fun elements there. So lots of dies in this set. Okay, I've already cut a spoon out just to save a little bit of time. And I am going to just put a teeny bit of liquid glue right here on my handle of my spoon. And I'm just going to put this right on top like that. It says trying to reconnect. All right, I don't know what happened. I turned my alarm off and my screen went black. So if you didn't see what I just did, I just added 3 of these little swirl dots that come with the suite. They're adhesive back swirl dots. And those are in the online exclusives as well. And you can buy all these items separately. You don't have to buy the whole suite. But the bundle is really great. So this is a very popular set. I was just on stage. I got a ton of swaps using this. And it's just one of their better coffee sets. So I really like this. And I will put all the measurements, supplies used on my blog. If you place an order by Thursday of $30, I'll send you a kit of the cards that we made in class last Thursday. And if you spend $50, I'll send you an embellishment. So you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you use the host code. If you're spending over $150, just place the order. And I'll send you the items for free anyway. So hope you enjoyed today's projects, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.